are buying a house. The door. Yay! Hey guys, welcome back to our channel.
What's up, guys? What is good? The big day is here.
Yes, so as you see by the title, obviously, we are buying a house.
Yeah, guys, we are closing the house right now, like in 30 minutes.
Yes, we're on our way there. We're about to get there. Today's our closing day. Yay! Alejandro's excited. So we're gonna bring you guys along. It's been a long process. And we're
stressful as fuck. Look at all my pimples.
Yeah, guys, we're both like breaking out and stuff. This whole process is super stressful. And yeah, finally the day is here. We've been waiting for like a month for this day.
We have kept it low key. You guys haven't seen the house or anything. We're gonna show you guys later on today.
If you guys didn't notice, we were house hunting and then we stopped, which is when we found the house last month. And we just we didn't want to tell you guys until it happened because we weren't like 100% sure that it was gonna happen. So yeah, finally day's here, guys. So we're gonna show you guys our house. We're gonna show you when, like, the whole process of renovating it.
There's a lot of renovation going on, guys. That has to go on. So a lot of things. We got to do the whole floor, the whole, like, cut some walls down. It's a lot of work.
So we have a month to move, like, from where we live right now to our new house. And this is gonna be our forever house. Like, we actually like bought it. Like, it's not like rented how we've been.
It's not gonna be like forever. Like, this is like our dream house right now. Like, this is the house we wanted
for like this moment in our life.
This moment in our life, you know. Later on we'll probably rent it and buy a new one, bigger house. Or, you know, they say that your first house is not your dream house. Like, at the moment it's your dream house, but then but for now we love it, and we're super excited.
Happy. We're gonna raise our kids there, like most of their life at least.
We're so dark.
It looks like that, but when you edit it, it doesn't. It happened to me the other day. So yeah, what is it? Okay, so we're gonna be showing you guys the whole renovation process, before and after, the whole working thing. Like, it's gonna be a long process. So we have a month, and in that month we're gonna do the most we can, like the most important things. Yeah, we're gonna keep on renovating it throughout like the months that we have.
So we're excited. We can't wait, super excited. We'll see you guys in a little bit. We'll show you the house and everything. So
all right, so here we have Alejandra. Say hi. Mira, say hi. Say hi.
Hey, dile ven, ven.
We have Alejandro. We are in the closing office or whatever, so we're waiting for them to come in with the papers.
What the fuck?
Like, I'm not ready to start. Bing, mira, ¿quién es ella? Say hi. Dile hi. Okay. Dile hi. Guys, so it is like 3 hours later,
and we still haven't closed.
There's like a whole thing with the papers, so we're waiting for them to figure it out. And we came to eat lunch at McDonald's because we're starving.
Fucking depressed.
We were sitting down in there for literally 3 hours, and Alejandro was so fussy.
We had to get something to eat for her, for us. Pain in the ass, man, I'll tell you that.
She hasn't slept, so hopefully she falls asleep now after she eats.
So guys, we'll keep you guys updated. We want to show you guys the house, but it's just taking forever.
So yeah, we'll see you guys hopefully in a few hours. Closed.
Love you. Bye. Woo! You already know what it is. Fucking home owners, bitch. Yo, we're so happy. Finally, after like 6 hours, we got done.
Yes, we're finally done. So we're on our way right now to the house, and everybody,
yay!
She's already so excited. She's like, finally, been in this freaking stroller for like 5 hours.
Bro, we're so happy, guys. Finally, thanks to everybody that supports.
It doesn't even feel real, man. Like, I don't believe it.
For real, man. Fuck yeah. Home owners, man. You already know.
So yeah, this has been our second biggest highlight of the year, because first one was Miss, almost like her
this year, the first one was
The baby.
the baby.
Our second pregnancy.
Our second baby. And then now the freaking house. We're super happy. Finally, we're homeowners. And being a homeowner in Miami is kind of difficult. You know, we're really young. The houses are super expensive. It's so hard to find a house with like more than 3 rooms for like a cheap price, you know.
Not even consider a cheap price. If we would live, like, example, Texas, the house, like what we bought, our house, we could have gotten like a six, seven bedroom house in Texas. But it's not the case here in Miami. But we're happy with our house.
We're saying Texas, you know, there's a lot of states that are
literally a little bit more up here in Florida.
And yeah, like Tampa and stuff, we could find something for the price we got it here.
Yeah,
we're gonna find something way bigger, already brand new, but we are happy with what we got because we're gonna renovate it, and it's close to our family, you know what I'm saying?
And it's a little bit far from them. Like, it's almost an hour drive from my mom's.
It is?
Yeah, it's 45 minutes, but you know, it is what it is.
It's like 20 minutes from my job and Shanae's job, so that's what matters. I always like this neighborhood that we're moving to, so yeah, it's, you know, our main goal is to get the fuck away from Miami. So Miami is like down there. I don't want to raise my kids there, you know.
We're up north a little bit, so
nothing against Miami. It's just I feel like there's a lot of nightlife, so it's a lot of bad things. Yeah.
So yeah, we're excited. We're gonna show you guys the house now, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the house. Hi, opening the door. Yay!
Yay!
Woohoo! We made it!
We made it! No hicimos, we did it!
So, entrance is right here. This goes straight to the garage, and there's a closet here. So, this is our first living room. Then you walk into the dining room. There's a kitchen right here. So this is the kitchen.
You're gonna see a big difference soon.
Yes. And then this is our second living room, which leads to the outside. I'll show you guys better, but here's our sneak peek of our pool. And this is, like, you know, the entrance part. Then we walk over here to the hallway. There's first room, which this is gonna be the new baby's room. Oh, I can't turn on the light.
No.
Okay, so this is the first baby's room. Obviously, this color is gonna be gone. The rugs are out, so yeah. Then there's a bathroom. There's like, okay, so this will be the main, like, bathroom for the house.
What you're gonna do, but it's slowly but surely.
This is Alejandra's room. It's a little bigger than the baby's room. It has 2 closets, so same thing. Wall's gonna change. That's gonna be gone. That ceiling's gonna be gone. That rug is out. Then this is another room, which we're gonna be using as an office. And this is our bedroom, the master bedroom. Very spacious. This is our master bathroom, so it is in our side room. Now we have a little door right here that leads to the patio outside. That's the second living room that I showed you guys earlier. And then we have our backyard. Oops. So we have a huge yard, as you could clearly see. Our pool is humongous. And yeah, we have a bunch of, like, grass area. We're gonna be putting, like, our dogs. Probably gonna do like a tiki over here. Probably gonna do like an outdoor kitchen somewhere over here. You know, everything is gonna change. Like, you guys are gonna be seeing a big difference throughout the videos. But in like a month, I would say, you're gonna be shook about the difference. So yeah, guys, I can't wait to show you guys the whole process. Woo! Yay!
Por la copa, coño.
Dice mamá que no decía eso, Cheers. Vamos a hacer un cheers ahora. Venga. Voy a tomar.
I know.
Shanae's not drinking, guys. Shanae's not drinking.
Hey,
Cheers. Cheers. Congratulations.
Oye, pirata, ¿no? Está loco, que no puedo. Give me suero, chico.
Shanae is not drinking, okay?
My mom, my sister got here now. What? You guys want to put it more dark? They're so mean.
Gonna go to sleep.
Quita los zapatos, pobrecita. Ella una baby. Ella no dormió hoy, pobrecita. They're here bothering the shit out of her. So my mom got eye surgery a few days ago. And she came with her glasses because the light bothers her. Ah, okay.
Shanae aquí.
Alright guys, so I was editing this video and I realized we didn't close it out because we continued vlogging thinking that this video was gonna be too short, but it's not. It's actually a good length. I don't want to make it like super long. So next video you guys are gonna see like what floor we picked out. We're gonna show you the progress of how the house is already going. There's people already working in it. There's a big change, like we changed all the lights today. They're knocking down like the walls, they're putting some concrete, you know, all that stuff. So I'm gonna be vlogging it for you guys, showing you guys how, you know, the house is doing, and also, you know, vlog our regular life. It's not gonna be all about the house now because I know some people are not interested in that. But yeah, thank you guys so much for always supporting us. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. It really supports my channel. Subscribe with your post notifications on, and yeah, I can't wait to finally move in. It's gonna be a long process. There's still a whole month left, but I can't wait. So yeah, see you guys on our next video. Bye guys.